parents and guardians, we've called to talk to you again, because a storm has come without warning, left it snow while we were sleeping, and JC schools will be closing for the day. At home we'll stay within the sound of snow day. In restless dreams kids' hopes have grown, icy streets no bus can roll. Neath the darkness of a cold black sky, kids wake their parents yelling snow mine. Then they're out the door while older siblings queue for tonight. It's a wondrous sight, and feel the sound of snow day. And in the morning light we saw 1,000 children, maybe more, kids rejoicing without working, teachers smiling without speaking, admin writing songs and posting them to share like people care. This is the sound of snow day. By noon wet clothing piles the floor, parents yelling shut the door. Kids do some chores and don't sleep till noon, mix in some math and reading and cartoons. Enjoy these memories, 'cause soon it'll be back to organ rain, echoed in the homes of snow day. And by evening parents pray another call would not be made, and the snowmen line the streets at night, children snow dancing with delight. And above all be safe, be warm, and enjoy this family day. And so we'll say, here's to the sounds of snow day.